Kertong Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Conrad Sangma ni kesengi ula Kynthup ba Kwah igi Paralok Barim ba kinya donlang ke Sorkar MDA 2.0 wat hadien ba ula yok bun kesyuki klem ke jingkershan jongki Conrad ula ong ba ke Sorkar MDA 1 barok ki Paralok kilayane haduk bekut hapdeng ki jing tenjo bebun kumta ula khot ngobhai ke seng UDP bat PDF banyesnok tilang bat ke NPP bantau yakni ke Sorkar senrop Laru ban ong bagaseng NPP kelayok bun ki dekhot da ka jingkershan ke BJP Arngut HSPDP Arngut bat ki ketong Shimet Arngut wala katau Conrad ula khot ngobhai ke seng UDP bat PDF banwan penyesno bat ka kenhun haga bamenta kelayok ke jingkershan jongki sapusan ngut ki MLA
We fight, we sometimes give aggressive speeches and use different languages, which of course should have been controlled, but nonetheless certain things were said. But at the end of the day, we are all here to serve the people of the state. And at the end of the day, we need to rise above all differences. We need to realize that people are looking at us and are expecting, have given a mandate. And hence, taking my team into confidence, I personally have then met the different leaders of PDF and the leaders of the UDP.
Menteri Rang Ba Aduk Keri Narendra Modi